In today's video, I will show you step by step how to blur video in CapCut PC. First, you need to import the video you want to blur and drag it onto the timeline. After dragging your video onto the timeline, go to Effects in the top left corner, then click on Lens and find the Blur effect. Once you've found the blur effect, simply drag it onto the video you want to blur. After that, you can adjust the blur intensity in the top right corner by moving this line to the left or right. In the Effects tab, you can also find other interesting blur effects such as halo blur, oblique blur, pixel blur, or vertical blur. Once your video is blurred, you can use it as a background for another video or text. I will add text to show you how this blurred background will look when something is added to it. As you can see, it looks fantastic. If you want to add blur to only a specific part of the video, you can do so by dragging the same video onto the timeline twice so one is above the other. Then, add a blur effect to the top video. Click once in the empty space to close this tab, and then click again on the upper video to select it. Next, go to the Mask option and choose a mask based on what you want to blur. I will choose a rectangle mask, and then I will blur only this tree. You can adjust the blur using the points at the corners of this square. If your object is moving, as in my case, you need to add several position keyframes. Go to the beginning of the video, then add a position keyframe by clicking on this point here. After that, every few seconds, add one keyframe and adjust the position of your blurred overlay by left-clicking on it and placing it in the initial position. Here's what the final result looks like after adding several keyframes. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.